This video is about important green days. 28th of February is celebrated as a National Science Day. The National Science Day is celebrated every year to highlight the benefits of science in our lives. Sir C.V. Raman discovered the Raman effect on this day in 1928, for which he received the Nobel Prize in 1930. March 3 is celebrated as a World Wildlife Day. The day raises awareness about the various forms of animals and plants on the earth. It reminds us of the urgent need to protect endangered wildlife and the benefits of their conservation to mankind. March 20 is celebrated as a World Sparrow Day. This day is dedicated to raise awareness about the threat to the population of house sparrows and other birds found in towns and cities. It is an international initiative started by Mohammed Dilawar of the Nature Forever Society of India. 21st of March is celebrated as a World Forestry Day. The UN celebrates International Day of Forest to raise awareness on the importance of trees and nature. 22nd of March is celebrated as a World Water Day. The World Water Day focuses attention on the importance and conservation of freshwater sources on the earth. It also highlights the need for WASH. It means water, sanitation and hygienic facilities in the developing countries of the world. April 7 is celebrated as a World Health Day. The World Health Day marks the founding of the World Health Organization and draws attention to important health issues affecting the world every year. Some past themes of this day include food safety, road safety, and mental health. 22nd of April is celebrated as a Earth Day. This day is a popular annual event that is celebrated worldwide. It mainly focuses on the different methods of environmental protection and educate people about how they can contribute towards a clean environment. May 31st is celebrated as a World No Tobacco Day. World No Tobacco Day raises awareness on the harmful effects of tobacco use and second-hand smoke exposure. It also discourages the use of tobacco in any form. June 5 is celebrated as a World Environment Day. This day is an initiative by the United Nations to encourage responsible management of the Earth's natural resources. It points towards the ill effects of misusing natural resources on the well-being of humankind. June 8 is celebrated as a World Ocean Day. On World Ocean Day, people around the world celebrate and honor the things that connect us all. This idea was first proposed in 1992 at the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro. The first week of July is celebrated as Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is a tree planting festival in India. It was started in 1950 by Union Minister Dr. K.M. Munshi to create interest among people regarding forest conservation.